Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a long dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to the dressing room and then we're going to use this item to create a long dress. You can enter fashion to redeem this code, but I don't know whether this code is still working or not. You can get this item and then you can buy which set, this one. Okay, and the dress will be like this. That's so cool, right? And then you can change the color if you want. I'm going to make them all black. So I'm going to click on this dress and make it black. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a long dress for free on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!